Hey guys, good morning. I just woke up a little bit ago. It is Friday. It is not just any Friday. It happens to be the best Friday ever. So tomorrow my husband and I are headed out to lovely, amazing Cancun, Mexico for our anniversary trip. For anybody who's in like healthcare or any like service-oriented industry, you know the burnout can be real. And so I am in high need of this vacation. So today I have a really busy day ahead of me. I have to get my nails done, my toes done, I have to get waxed, and I pretty much have to pack everything because I've done absolutely nothing. So I'm going to be taking you with me all day as we get all of this stuff done. So get ready with me for vacation. So I am on my way to the nail salon right now, and I'm thinking about what color I want and if I want a different color on my toes than my hands. And I think I'm gonna get the same thing. I've been really feeling like a off-white, almost white color, just very clean and simple and summery. So I think that's what I'm gonna get, but we'll see. Because I might be swayed if they have like a really cute pastel something. Guys, it is an absolutely gorgeous day. So a good day for errands. Here we are. Hi. Hello.
Hello. Amanda?
Yes. So I got these matching colors. They're like an off-white dip powder and an off-white regular nail polish for my toes. Guys, I actually think I found my new nail place because she hooked it up. The pedicure was good, you know, she did a little scrapey, rubby, but the nails, I just went in thinking I was gonna get like a regular dip manicure, but we ended up doing tips, and she did like this ombre thing that I didn't even ask for, but that looks mad cute with the white. It looks so good. This is super cute. You can't see it well in this light, but it definitely goes from lighter to more white here. I am obsessed with it. It's the perfect length. It's gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. It is so noisy in this city, but I am currently walking to the sugaring place where I'm getting my Brazilian. I will be there in about a second, and I'm so happy that I'm not late because they have a really strict policy, which is good. So here is sugar and bronze.
What kind of glove do you have?
Just like it's mostly like beauty stuff.
Beauty stuff?
Yeah.
Cool.
It's probably a little bit of lifestyle.
Yeah.
Actually. Yeah.
Is it on Instagram?
On YouTube.
YouTube?
Yeah. That is always intense. All right, I'm done. I'm gonna head out. All right, guys, so I'm home, and now I have a ton of packing to do. Okay, so it took a lot longer for me to get comfortable than I thought it would, and I'm losing daylight hours, so I'm gonna get started packing. I've already picked out a bunch of clothes, not everything, but I'm not gonna go through everything with you. It's basic vacation stuff. So we are going to Mexico, like I said, so it's gonna be warm. So I'm packing definitely like short sleeve shirts, crop tops, shorts, but there's gonna be times where we're inside at dinner, and so I'm packing like a bunch of kind of medium temperature clothes too. So I got some pants and everything like that. So I've tried to keep myself organized and categorized everything. So I've got like a stack of like jeans, pants, skirts here. I have this dress and this romper, a little cuter, less casual stuff I'm gonna put in here too. And then I have a stack of like shirts and crop tops I'm gonna wear. There is this one crop top that I got that is so cute on Lulu's, and I wanna show you guys because I'm obsessed with it. So this is like such a simple but cute crop top. So it has like this like really cute mesh there, and so it's like kind of see-through, but it's so simple. I'm gonna put a picture up next to me somewhere so you can see it. It's just really elegant, and I can't wait to wear it with some black jeans for like a dinner out. It's gonna be so nice. So we have been to this resort. This is gonna be our third time going, actually. We went on our honeymoon, and then we went on our very first anniversary. We were supposed to go last year in 2020, but obviously that got canceled like That got canceled like 2 months before we left, which was pretty devastating. But we're really looking forward to being able to go this year. We are vaccinated, and so we're not gonna get crazy, but it's just gonna be nice to kind of have the peace of mind to have a little bit of freedom. Really excited about that. So I got the rest of my stuff. I got like pajamas, some more shirts. I'm gonna bring my workout gear. Not sure if I'm gonna use it, but I'm definitely gonna bring it because I think it's better to have it and not use it than wanna use it and not have it. I'm gonna try to be like not crazy with like eating all kinds of junk when I'm down there. I'm definitely gonna be free, but I do wanna like try to maintain my health. So I'm gonna bring some workout gear too. So I'm gonna bring 2 swimsuits. One of them is actually right now getting washed, so I can't show you that one. But the one that I actually really do want to show you guys is this one. So I got this swimsuit. This is not a sponsored post. I got this swimsuit from Ava. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. And their whole shtick is like sustainably sourced bathing suits. Like they're trying to help the environment, and so I think their materials are like good for the environment. I know that's not the best explanation, but so I got this bathing suit, and I paid a lot for this bathing suit, but when you see it, you're gonna understand why. So this is like, I wish I could show you. So this is like a crisscross, see-through at the waist, see-through at the top bathing suit. It is so adorable. So you're gonna see it. I'm obviously gonna vlog while I'm down there, so you're gonna actually see this on, but it is so cute. I cannot wait to wear it. So packing is packing. There's not a whole lot to say about it, but I do wanna show you guys what I'm taking down there for my GinaCurl. So let me show you that now. So this is literally everything that I am taking down for my hair. So starting with the basics, shampoo and conditioner. I've been using GinaCurl's replenishing treatment for the conditioner and the replenishing shampoo. I love the way these smell. And funnily enough, when I first tried them, they actually kind of smell like the signature scent of the resort that we're going to. For leave-in conditioner, so typically I use the Semi Delino Extraordinary All-in-One Fluid, but I'm running a little bit low, so I decided to try an oldie but goodie, which is the Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in conditioner, which I used years ago and really liked. So I'm gonna give it a try. Oh, I forgot. I also have this clarifying shampoo that I bought from Hair's Talent. Since I'm gonna be going swimming, I'm gonna have to clarify my hair to wash all that chlorine and stuff out. So I'm gonna try this for the first time down there. I'll let you know what I think. Now for styling. So if you've watched my former videos, you know that there's been like a saga with these 2 products. The Carol's Daughter Curl Defining Butter. Let's see if we can focus that. And the Carol's Daughter Coil Enhancing Moisture Butter. So this product, the Moisture Butter, gives me better curl definition than the other, but I suspect, I'm not actually sure anymore, that this one gives me a little bit more breakage. Recently I've been using the orange one more, but it's giving me a hold that's a little too heavy now, and so I've actually been mixing these and I'm getting a pretty good result from that. The other curl cream that I've been trying in the last like 3 days is the Cantu Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream. Now you guys know I've tried Cantu before, the coconut curling cream, which was a little too heavy, but I overall liked the curl pattern that it gave me. So I decided to try something a little bit thinner, and this one, it actually might be my favorite curl cream so far, but hang tight, I have to use it for a while. And then I have my classic Rah clip, some rubber bands for my hair, and then some hairpins. And I know it seems like a lot, but in my defense, I am tying, look, my cat, Clara. In my defense, I am trying 2 different curl creams, well, 3 different curl creams, which would not usually happen. And I'm bringing an extra shampoo for clarifying. Oh, and this little guy, this is just edge gel, which I really don't use much edge control at all, but for some reason it feels comforting to bring it along to vacations mostly. And my little comb for detangling in the shower. Ah, that's Cancun. Did not realize that. So like I said, that's all of my hair stuff that's coming with me. So as you guys can see, I have a ton more packing and more work to do, so I'm gonna get to it. But thanks for joining me as I got ready for my vacation in lovely Cancun, Mexico. I will see you guys down there. In the meantime, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay guys, see you in the next one. Bye.